Hello, this is Ben Baxter with Accent Software. Wanted to bring a quick tip to Business Central that I think is super helpful for the majority of people that use the software. So this one's not specific to manufacturing, but I am on the Business Manager profile. And if I scroll to the bottom of this, you'll see a little box that's called the Report Inbox. What this is when I have a report run in the background, it stores it for me so that I have quick access to it to open it up later. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run the aged accounts receivable, so something that I may run quite often. And so it has the parameters that I normally set on it, if I have any filters, all of that information. But down here, there's a send to button. And normally people think of that like sending it out to Word or Excel or something like that. But there's a schedule option. So if you check that schedule button and you click OK, it pops up a window that says, what do you want to do with this? Now, if I just click OK, what it does is it sends the report to my report inbox after it's had a chance to run. Now, once that is complete, the history of that report or the recurrence of that report, it's done. However, if I come in here and put in a next run formula, let's say 1 week, and we'll use our work date so that it automatically runs, this report will start in my work date, so in the past, and it will run every week from that date going forward. Now that is time specific. Now I could set this to be, let's say Friday at 7 a.m. or something like that, but I want to show you a different way. So I'm going to go ahead and say, okay, lets me know that that report will end up in my inbox. So I can say, okay. And if I do a refresh, it doesn't take long for that report to run. You can see that it went ahead and ran the report, and now it's sitting in my inbox. So I could click that and it will open up a PDF version of that report. However, if I come to this box and I say show queue, it'll actually show me that that report is now staged to run on a cycle. Again, I have it running every 1 week. So it's built that into it. Now, I may want to be more specific. Maybe I ran this on a Tuesday, but I really want that report every Friday. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it on hold. And I'm going to come down to the bottom and I'm going to just check on that I want it on Fridays. You see that the next date formula disappears. And let's say I want it to run 7 a.m. in the morning. So every Friday at around 7 a.m., it is going to try to run this report. Now, it does have to go through any other automations that are running. But as soon as it's built up in the queue, it will trigger itself and it will run that report and it will deliver it to my report inbox on a very consistent basis. So I never have to think now, I need to go and run this report on this day. So think about all of the reports, all of the functions you may run on a recurring basis that you have to have documented for a new person. I need to go and run this or pull this report on this day. You can now set this up to run automatic, have it delivered to you in the background so you don't have to click it, wait for it to process. This works especially good for very long duration reports that take a long time to run. You can use this to have it run in the background. And then you just have the inbox show you the report when it's complete. So that's the tip. That's what I wanted to show you. Don't forget to set it back on status ready so that it runs the next time. And now that report will be delivered to me every Friday around 7 a.m. without me doing anything or even thinking about it. Now, this report inbox is way down here on the bottom of my profile. You may want to personalize it and move it where it's something more readily available so that you can see it and access it. But that's your tip. Hope it's a good one. Hope you enjoy that and get the best utilization of your software. If you have questions on this or Business Central in general, Accent Software is a great partner to talk to. We do specialize in manufacturing, so if that's the industry you're in, by all means, reach out to us. If you're not, that's okay. You can still talk to us. We just might point you to a partner that is more specific to your industry. So with that, I appreciate the time, and we'll talk soon.